KG2. In our last class, that is yesterday, we have completed chapter 3 and I have given you spellings to learn. I hope that you must be practicing. Okay, it is not needed कि मैम ने जिस दिन दिया है उस दिन ही वो complete हो. आप daily practice कीजिए. If you will practice daily, बहुत सारे आपको स्पेलिंग्स लर्न हो जाएंगे और मैम बता रही है कि स्पेलिंग को कैसे लर्न करना है. ओके, सो नाउ टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट अ न्यू चैप्टर 4, ड्रेसिंग अप. ड्रेसिंग अप का मतलब होता है पहनावा. What we dress up, हम जो पहनते हैं, that is our dressing up. That how do we dress up and what do we dress up? हम कैसा पहनते हैं और क्या पहनते हैं? Okay, so what do you dress up? We dress up clothes. Okay, and why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to protect our body from heat, cold, dust and rain. अगर हम कपड़े पहनेंगे नहीं तो हमें धूप भी लगेगी, डस्ट भी लगेगा. डस्ट का मतलब होता है धूल, जर्म्स भी लगेगा और हम बारिश से भी नहीं बच पाएंगे. So there are many types of clothes. There are types of clothes that protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust. So here it is written, clothes protect us from heat, cold, dust and rain. Look at the spellings. Here it is EA, and in the last class only when you were learning the spelling of clean, मैम ने बताया था कि जब E और A जब साथ में आता है तो उसे E कहते हैं. Okay, excuse me. So it is her, eat, heat. Heat का मतलब होता है गर्मी. That is cold. 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 Dust. So clothes protect us from heat, cold, dust and here AI has a single sound. A और I क्या एक single sound होता है, that is A. So it is rain. Rain. In this class, we will learn why do we wear clothes. So we wear clothes to protect us from heat, cold, dust and rain. Now clothes protect us from heat, cold, dust and rain. That's why we wear clothes. हम कपड़े इसलिए पहनते हैं क्योंकि कपड़ा हमें हीट से, गर्मी से बचाते हैं, कोल्ड ठंड से बचाते हैं, डस्ट धूल से बचाते हैं और रेन मीन्स बारिश से बचाते हैं. Now look at the first picture in the book. Look at the first picture in the book. Oh, it is very hot and the child is feeling very hot. The picture is very hot. The sun is bright outside. Sun क्या है? It's a sunny day और सूरज बहुत जोरों से चमक रहा है. The sun is shining brightly and see the fan is running and this boy is having water and it is sweating a lot. उसे बहुत पसीना आ रहा है. So in this type of condition, what do we wear? What do prefer to wear? जब हमें बहुत गर्मी लग रही हो तो हम कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं? For girls, it is skirt, t-shirt and shorts. The clothes that allow the air to pass inside. ऐसे कपड़े जिससे हवा अंदर जा सके, है ना? और स्किन को थोड़ा फ्री लगे. That kind of clothes are wear when it is a hot and sunny day. When it is a hot and sunny day, that's why it is written, we wear these clothes on a hot and sunny day. So what we wear on a hot and sunny day? We wear skirt, t-shirt and shorts on a hot and sunny day. KG2, this is an oral class for you. Okay, this is an oral class for you. This is the first part of the chapter. In the next part, we will have notebook work. Okay. So, on a hot and sunny day, what do we wear? We wear skirt, shorts and t-shirts. Okay. Or loose cotton clothes. We can also say that we wear loose cotton clothes on a hot and sunny day. Now next is, what is the next page? Okay. In this picture it is raining. It is raining. So what do we wear when it rains outside? अगर बारिश में बाहर जाना हो तो क्या करते हैं? We wear gumboots, raincoats and we use umbrellas also. But umbrella is not a cloth. Okay, that's why the picture is not given. क्योंकि umbrella क्या है? Cloth नहीं है, इसीलिए umbrella की picture यहाँ नहीं दी हुई है. Okay, so what do we wear? We wear these clothes on a rainy day. If it is raining outside, we wear gumboots and raincoats, and we cover our body with umbrella. Okay, don't get confused because umbrella is not a cloth. Umbrella कपड़ा नहीं होता. It is not a dress. So we wear these clothes on a rainy day. Gumboots and raincoats. Now next is, what is the next one? Yup. Oh, the boy is feeling very cold. The boy is shivering. बहुत ठंड है. And he has covered his body with a quilt. उसने कंबल ओढ़ा हुआ है. He has put on scarf and he has put on sweater also. Scarf is also called muffler. Okay, there is a difference between scarf and muffler. Muffler is a long. Okay, it is a long and narrow piece, while scarf is a large piece. Okay, so here the boy, in this picture, it is very cold. It is very cold and it is written, we wear these clothes when we feel cold. So in the first picture, जब बहुत hot feel हो रहा था, then we wear loose cotton clothes. When it is rainy, we use gumboots and raincoats. And when it is hot, when it is cold, and also we use jacket. And in other words we can say that we use sweater. Okay, इसमें sweater नहीं दिया हुआ है. So sweater is also a kind of clothes that we wear when we feel cold. When we feel cold. So when we feel hot, we use loose cotton clothes. लूज कपड़े पहनते हैं, ढीले कपड़े पहनते हैं ताकि हवा बॉडी के अंदर जा सके, कपड़े से बॉडी के अंदर जा सके. When it is raining outside, we use raincoat and gumboots. Okay, and when we feel cold, it is very cold, we wear coat, gloves, muffler and jacket. KG2, I will give you all the spellings in the next class to learn. Not all the spellings but some spellings. Now, see here, what is this? Oh, it seems like it is a birthday of somebody. Somebody is celebrating birthday. Now, what is written? Now, look at the picture. Everybody is in different clothes. हर कोई different clothes में है ना? And everybody is happy. So we wear our favorite dress for a birthday party. आप जब किसी birthday party में जाते हैं तो क्या पहनते हैं? We wear our favorite dress, or we can say we wear colorful dresses when we go for birthday party. Excuse me. When we go for birthday party. Okay. And now, when you come to school, what do you wear? We wear uniform to school. Like I have worn my uniform. Okay. So here it is written uniform. Uniform. We wear uniform to school. We wear uniform to school. Now next is, what is the color of your uniform? Color these boxes. Now it is your work. Okay, take out your crayons. Take out your crayons. So, what is the color of your uniform? In our school, the students of pre-primary, they wear red and blue t-shirts with grey pants or skirts. Okay, that grey color I am not having here. That's why I will not use. इस question में बताना है कि what is the color of your uniform. इस question में ये पूछ रहे हैं कि आपके uniform का color क्या है? Color these boxes. पहले box में आपको skirt और blouse. Means this is for girls and this is for boys. So, in our school, red t-shirt is there. Okay. Our girls wear red t-shirt, and as well as they wear, what do they wear? They wear blue t-shirt also. And this space I have used for grey. Okay. How many colors are there in our uniform? There are 3 colors. Those are, what are those? Those are red, blue and grey. Red, blue and grey. So I have kept this space for grey. Okay. Now next is for boys. mentioned skirt. Okay, this is for shirt or blouse. This is for shirt or blouse. So here we have to color it in two colors, that is blue and red only. Okay, this is blue. इस बॉक्स को हमको जिस कलर की टी शर्ट या शर्ट आप पहनते हैं उस कलर में कलर करना है. So what is the color of your t-shirt? You have two t-shirts. The first one is red and the second one is blue. So we are coloring it with two colors. And here in this box I am leaving it because it is looking grey. ये ग्रे पहले ही दिख रहा है ना, that's why I am leaving it because it is the color of your pant and skirt. It is the color of your pant and skirt. If you find grey color in your crayons box, you just color it. अगर आपके पास grey color है तो आप इसको कलर कीजिए, और else you can do is अगर आपके पास ग्रे पेपर है तो ग्रे पेपर को भी इस बॉक्स में आप पेस्ट कर सकते हो. ओके, नाउ come to the next page, page number 20. Page number 20. Page number 20 is page number 20. I have done it, but you have to do by your own. Okay, you have to do in your book. So the question is, what is the question? Circle with a yellow crayon the clothes you wear on a hot and sunny day. जब बहुत गर्मी लगती है तो आप क्या पहनते हैं? I will say I always wear loose cotton clothes on a hot sunny day. And it has to be circled with yellow. So, on a hot sunny day, skirt can be worn. Skirt पहना जा सकता है, टी-शर्ट पहन सकते हैं, और and shorts also can be worn. Shorts भी पहन सकते हैं. Okay. Now next is circle with the blue crayon the clothes you wear when you feel cold. जब आपको ठंडी लगती है तो आप क्या पहनते हैं? Yes, I use gloves to cover my hands. Hands को ठंड से बचाने के लिए gloves. Body को ठंड से बचाने के लिए coat और jacket. And to cover my face and ear, I use muffler. Okay. Now next is you also have to do with yellow and blue crayons. And the next is circle with a green crayon the clothes you wear on a rainy day. Rainy day में जो हम use करते हैं, that we have to circle with green. So what do we use? We use raincoat and gumboots on a rainy day. So class KG2, here we have completed the oral part of the chapter. Okay, tomorrow I will make you learn the spellings. Okay, I'll make you learn the spellings. And now some oral questions. Some questions. Okay, and the oral question is आपको मैम के साथ साथ learn करना है. I will make you learn only 2 to 3 oral questions. And those are, what do the clothes protect us from? Clothes हमें किससे protect करते हैं? That means clothes हमें किससे बचाते हैं? What do the clothes protect us from? The answer is very simple. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, dust and rain. Again, clothes protect us from heat, cold, dust and rain. One more time. What do the clothes protect us from? Clothes हमें किससे protect करते हैं? And the answer is clothes protect us from heat, cold, dust and rain. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is, what do we wear on a hot and sunny day? अगर hot and sunny day है तो क्या पहनेंगे? What do we wear on a hot and sunny day? On a hot and sunny day. So we wear loose cotton clothes on a hot and sunny day. Repeat the answer with me. We wear loose cotton clothes on a sunny day. We wear loose cotton clothes on a hot and sunny day. One more time. We wear loose cotton clothes on a hot and sunny day. So we wear loose cotton clothes on a hot and sunny day. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is, what do we wear on a rainy day? So we wear raincoat and gumboots. We wear raincoat and gumboots on a rainy